His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Spiritual Master of His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur ordered Srila Prabhupada, if you ever get money, print books. In fact, that is one of the most prominent instructions which Srila Prabhupada got from Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Srila Prabhupada's prominent desire was to offer as many books in the service of his Guru Maharaj. As followers of Srila Prabhupada, if we reflect on this, how much pain was taken by Srila Prabhupada to translate and write purports on these books, practically spending the whole night, sleepless nights, writing and translating books. What for? Especially for his disciples, grand disciples, and followers of International Society for Krishna Consciousness. To read those books, to understand those books, to scrutinizingly study those books, and create a revolution in their heart and revolution in society at large. In Srimad Bhagavatam, a beautiful verse comes, Tadvag Visargo Janatag Viplavo Yasmin Pratishlokam Abhadvate Api. It is described that literature which is full of descriptions of the transcendental glories of the name, fame, forms, pastimes, etc. of the unlimited Supreme Lord is a different creation, full of transcendental words, directed toward bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of this world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literatures, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, and accepted by purified men who are thoroughly honest. With a desire to create such a revolution, Srila Prabhupada spent hours and days and years writing Bhakti Vedanta purports. It is said, to make devotees is very difficult, and to maintain someone as a devotee is even more difficult. But to maintain some devotees even enthusiastically, to maintain a devotee enthusiastically in devotional service is most difficult. If devotees in ISKCON have to develop a strong foundation and faith, and if devotees have to experience a dynamic, ever fresh, ever increasing enthusiasm in relationship with Sri Guru and Gauranga, with Supreme Personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, it is an absolute necessity to understand and study Srila Prabhupada's books very scrutinizingly and assimilate them in our lives. Srila Prabhupada often expressed in his letters and in conversations. In one of the letters, he expressed, I want you leaders especially to become absorbed in the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and become yourselves completely convinced and free from all doubt. On this platform, you shall be able to carry on the work satisfactorily. But if there is a lack of knowledge, or if there is forgetfulness, everything will be spoiled in time. So, especially you must encourage the students to read our books throughout the day as much as possible and give them all good advice how to understand the books and inspire them to study the things from every point of view. Better to boil the milk very vigorously and make it thick and sweet. That is the best progress. So let us concentrate on training our devotees very thoroughly in the knowledge of Krishna consciousness from our books, from tapes, by discussing always and in so many ways. Instruct them in the right propositions. So we see from these wonderful quotations the intense desire of Srila Prabhupada to train the devotees in the philosophy of Krishna consciousness, to study the books which he has given us, to understand and analyze Bhakti Vedanta purports, and nourish our lives and create a transformation and revolution in the hearts of the misdirected civilization. In International Society for Krishna Consciousness, we see devotees are engaged in so many activities. Devotees are opening temples, preaching, big programs, collecting funds, distributing prasadam, food for life activities, performing dramas. So many activities. But if we want to experience real spiritual bliss on a more stable, long-lasting platform, all practices must be based on the foundation of Bhakti Vedanta purports. Otherwise, individually and collectively, things may collapse. Relationships may spoil. Mundane desires will erupt in the heart. Conflicts will arise. And devotees may lose all the enthusiasm. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada, in one of his letters, one of the most heavy statements he made, all of the devotees connected with this Krishna consciousness movement must read all of the books that have been translated: Chaitanya Charitamrita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, and others. Otherwise, after some time, they will simply eat, sleep, and fall down from their position. Thus, they will miss the opportunity to attain an eternal blissful life of transcendental pleasure. Considering this wonderful desire of Srila Prabhupada for devotees to dive deep into Bhakti Vedanta purports, let us reflect how to develop a long-lasting taste in the scriptures. It is very difficult to develop taste in scriptures, especially in the modern distracted age, where everybody is highly distracted and the consciousness is highly impure. Srimad Bhagavatam describes all the sages in Naimisharanya are presenting to Suta Goswami प्रायनल्पायुष सभ्य कलौ अस्मिन् युगे जना मंद सुमंद मतयो मंद भाग्य उपाद्रिता. The sages are telling Suta Goswami, before explaining the essence of all scriptures and the absolute and ultimate good, please know that men in this age of Kali are very short-lived. They are quarrelsome, lazy, misguided, unlucky. They are always disturbed. With these qualities, very difficult to arouse interest in the transcendental sound of Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. It is often seen that only somebody who has achieved the special mercy of the Lord or circumstantially faced some setbacks in life tends to give a look, a thoughtful approach to the scriptures. But Srila Prabhupada wants us that if we want that mercy, we all have to put a very special endeavor to develop that taste, that deep absorption, that deep study which will nourish our lives and make us prosper in our Krishna consciousness. Therefore, he expressed the desire to formulate some courses as a part of our society. Bhakti Shastri course, Bhakti Vaibhav course, Bhakti Vedanta course, Bhakti Sarvabhauma course, and many others like Bhakti Sadachar course. These courses have been going on in various centers of ISKCON all over the world. Srila Prabhupada expressed in one of his letters, he said,
"In this way, you have to understand by studying carefully the philosophy. We have got so many books now, and I want all of my disciples to read them carefully. Soon we shall be instituting Bhakti Shastri examinations, and all Brahmanas will have to pass."
In another letter dated January 7th, 1976, Srila Prabhupada expressed,
"Also you must see that the Brahmanas are given sufficient time to read the books. Soon we shall be introducing the Bhakti Shastri examination, which all Brahmanas will be expected to pass. It will be based on Bhagavad Gita, the nectar of devotion, nectar of instruction, Ishopanishad, and the small paperback books like Easy Journey. A Brahmana should be Pandita."
So considering these courses have already been going on in several temples and centers all over ISKCON, as the time is progressing, many devotees are expressing to different temples that they have extreme shortage of time. They are too absorbed in their families, jobs and different responsibilities. Keeping a respect to their responsibilities and with a deep desire to serve those devotees and help them to deeply connect to Srila Prabhupada's teachings. Help them to personally become leaders and give others these teachings of Krishna consciousness on a more substantial platform. And to help the devotees to ignite a deep fire in their heart of achieving Krishna, of serving Krishna and giving their life and soul to the mission of Srila Prabhupada. With this desire to serve them, we have come with this idea of online Bhakti Shastri course. This will help the devotees to go deep in their studies, right at their home, office, jobs, wherever they are situated. With a desire to get their blessings, we have attempted to start this online Bhakti Shastri course.